Turning challenges into profitability at Iconic Fashion India. Powered by Logic ERP. From 10 lakh to 600 crores. Iconic Fashion's remarkable growth with Logic ERP omnichannel solution. Iconic Fashion is a leading fashion retailer and destination of super premium international brands in India with a well-established network of multi-brand stores and outlets. Established in 2013, Iconic Fashion has expanded to 25 plus stores, offering luxuriant apparel range for men, women and kids. With 150 plus billing points in cities like Ludhiana, Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, showcasing 80 plus premium global brands. Challenges faced by Iconic Fashion India. Inventory management, non-centralized system, loyalty programs, marketing campaigns, limited online sales, non-upgraded ERP, non-satisfactory shopping experience, non-integrated system. To address these challenges, Iconic Fashion India partnered with Logic ERP to implement a comprehensive ERP solution tailored to their retail and distribution needs. Iconic Fashion and Logic ERP. Transforming retail and distribution. Logic ERP, number one ERP company in India, brings up a centralized solution to offer them the best ERP software for their apparel retail and distribution business. Solution offered to Iconic Fashion by Logic ERP. Unified inventory management, centralized customer data, omni-channel retailing, real-time reporting, product information management, campaign management, API and third-party integration, hyperlocal delivery option, scalability and accessibility, user-friendly e-commerce platform, cloud-based ERP solution, integrate social media marketplaces. Benefits of Logic ERP software implementation at Iconic Fashion, India. Customized ERP solution. Omni-channel retailing. Cloud-based ERP solution. Reduced returns. Campaign management. Personalized marketing. Membership promotion. Loyalty program integration. Consistent brand experience. Improved fulfillment options. Hyperlocal delivery option. Easy API and third-party integration. Integrate social media marketplaces. Real-time inventory visibility. Iconic Fashion's remarkable business growth with Logic ERP implementation. With omni-channel ERP solution implementation at Iconic Fashion India, their turnaround time of order fulfillment increased by 7%. Presently, the company boasts a turnover of 600 crores with 100 crores attributed to online sales revenue.
We started with Logic when we were a business which was 10 lakh rupees business per year, and today we are talking about a business size of 600 crores annually. Our partner has been the same. As we have grown, they have played a huge role in our growth from many angles. So, I'll touch base on few points. For example, when we expanded from 5 stores to 100 stores, they helped us building a fantastic POS system which has enabled us to get results. It's a seamless POS system. We've never had issues of any kind of integrations. We've done many developments in terms of tie-up with various kind of payment partners to actually creating a fantastic omni-channel piece where, 3 years back when COVID came in, we dreamt of building a fantastic online business, but that has become a reality today. We are doing 100 crores of annual business. And that would have been incomplete without a journey with Logic. They've done everything, they've gone out of their way to make that happen for us. They've done seamless integrations with our warehouse management system, which is Increv. They've created their own warehouse management system, which has also helped us easing our integration with Increv. Then we did a fantastic integration with our omni-channel partner, that was Unicommerce. Wouldn't have been possible without a fantastic ERP system like Logic. When we grew from a business which was, like I said, 5 lakh rupees annually, 10 lakh rupees annually to 500 crore business, you couldn't have done that without analytics. And There, Logic played a huge role because we moved from a manual uploading process of sales. We get automated reports, which has helped us improving our matrix in retail. And now we are touching profitability. So this couldn't have been possible without fantastic analytics built in by Logic and also supported by live streaming of sales. The game today is to have all your inventory live across channels. And if you don't have a strong ERP system, you can't do that because you will not be able to integrate with your own D2C channel or with marketplaces in the country. We've been able to do that. We've been able to seamlessly connect all our store inventory to online channel. So we actually today don't need inventory parked in our warehouse because fulfillment can happen through all stores. And this couldn't have been possible without Logic.
Why choose Logic ERP software for your apparel retail and distribution business? 30 plus years of ERP excellence. 200 plus experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Looking for the best retail and distribution ERP software for your apparel brand? Book a free ERP live demo. Call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com. Get Logic ERP software today.